Creativity is one virtue a business must possess to lead the race in the ruthless competition of internet-based business. With so much competition and rivalry going on, every method of marketing must be employed and utilized. It doesn't matter if you have a killer product or a fantastically designed website. If people don't know that you exist, it doesn't matter, and you are not going to make it big or make it at all. While there are so many methods and schemes used by businesses today, there are some that can help you get an extra boost in the popularity ratings. One of these is the so-called viral marketing. Viral marketing, also known as viral advertising, is a marketing technique used to build public awareness of one's product or company. They use many forms of media to reach the public without actually promoting the product. In a nutshell, companies ride on the idea that if people like the content of their media, they will pass it on to their friends and family. They sponsor the certain media content such as a cool flash game, funny video, or amusing story, which people may pass on to others that includes the company brand or logo, the product description, or other content to help promote the company or its products. Viral marketing has become a popular means of advertising and marketing because they are relatively low cost. Many companies offer incentives such as discounts and rebates when they want help in spreading their viral marketing. The main and foremost advantage of viral marketing is that you get a lot of publicity and public awareness about your site and your brand. You get to generate a flow of traffic that are potential customers. With a little ingenuity and imagination, plus some incentives or prizes, you can reach out to a great number of people so they learn of your existence. Most companies and brands are catching on to the effectivity of viral marketing and advertising. Viral marketing, a sneaky way to get people to pass your advertisements along in a fun way. All it takes is a great idea, a good addicting game, or a funny story, and so many ideas are still out there. Create a gossip or a buzz. Many movies are promoted by using scandals and gossips to make them more popular. A lot of big companies have tried viral marketing and have had many success stories with it. Now it's your turn to use viral marketing to work wonders for you and your business.